Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing about 7th class mathematics revision assignment. So here first one, the angles forming linear pair are options complementary, second one supplementary, third one not adjacent, fourth one vertical opposite angles. So the angles forming linear pair, it will gives a supplementary angle. So second option is the correct option. Now coming to second one. Which of the following statements are true? So here given four options. In these four options, which option is the true statement? Okay. So the first one is two acute angles can form a linear pair. So linear pair means it will give 180. Okay. So but acute angle means 0 to 90 in between angles is called acute angle. So we cannot give a two acute angles cannot form a linear pair. Okay. Coming to second option. Two obtuse angles can form a linear pair. So obtuse angle is nothing but more than 180, less than 270. Okay. So this is also cannot form a linear pair. So now coming to third option. Two right angles can form a linear pair. So what is the meaning of right angle? Right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. Right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. So here given two right angles. So in this two right angles means 2 into 90, 180. So 180 means can form a linear pair? Yes, it is form a linear pair. So third option is correct option. So now third one. Which of the following pairs of angles form a linear pair? Linear pair. So first option, now second option. Now third option. Which of the following pairs of angles form a linear pair? So linear pair means 180. Linear pair means 180 degrees. Now verify. So here given different angles. So in this each option having some different angles, we need to add. So when we are getting 180, that option is the correct option. Okay. So first option is 60 plus 20, 180. Okay. So it is directly the first option 180. So first option is the correct option. Now fourth one. The sum of measure of the angles in linear pair is, so first one 90, second one 360, third one 180, fourth one none. Okay, so the sum of the measure of the angles in linear pair. So linear pair is nothing but 180 degrees. Third option is the correct option. Now fifth one. Two angles can be supplemented if both of them are. So first option acute, second option obtuse, third option right angle, fourth one none. So here fifth one, two angles can be supplemented. Supplement means the sum of two angles is equal to 180. If both of them are. So first option acute. Acute means less than 90 degrees is called acute. Obtuse means more than 90 is called obtuse. Coming to right angle. Right angle is nothing but if both of them are 90. Okay, right angle is the correct answer. Okay. So now fill in the blanks. Sixth one. From the figure, so this angle is 6y, this angle is y, this angle is 2y. So you are naming A, D, O, D, C, B. So then the value of y is dash. So here given from the figure we need to identify A value. Okay. So if you see this is in the form of linear pair. So linear pair means sum of three angles is equal to 180. So angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD which is equal to 180 degrees. What is the angle AOB? AOB means 6. BOC means y. COD means 2y which is equal to 180. So 6y plus y 7y, 7 plus y 7y plus 2y 9y, 9y equal to 180, y equal to here 9 is multiplying with y, so you can bring to RHS side, that is division. So 9 ones 9 20s, therefore y is equal to 20. Now seventh one. The angles which make makes a linear pair with an angle of 60 degrees is of dash. Okay, so here given blank the angles which make a linear pair, that means 180 with an angle of 60 is of. So here suppose I am taking x plus y is equal to 180. Okay, so here we need to add these two angles, we can get 180. So in this one angle is given 60 degrees. So in the place of x I am taking 60. So 60 plus y equal to 180. So y equal to 180 minus 60. Here plus 60, you can bring right side, that is minus 60. So y is equal to 120. So 120 is the other angle. So we can 60 plus 120, it will give the linear pair. Eighth one. Find the value of z from the given figure. So here given figure, so this angle is 110 degrees, this angle is z. So A, O, C, this one B. So this is also shows linear pair. So linear pair is nothing but 180. So this angle and this angle, if you add these two angles, we can get 180. So angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 180. So angle AOB means this one, that is 110. Angle BOC means this one, so that is z degrees equal to 180 degrees. So that equal to 180 minus 110. This is plus 10. So you can bring to RHS side, that is minus 110. So that is equal to 180 minus 110, 70. So find the value of z means the z value is 70. Okay. Now ninth one. In a given linear pair, two adjacent angles are 40 degrees and x find the x degrees equal to dash. So here in a given linear pair, two adjacent angles are 40 and x. Find the value of x. So linear pair means, so this angle and this angle, if you add means that is equal to 180. So 40 plus x equal to 180. So x equal to 180 minus 40. So here plus 40 no. So this 40 brings to RHS side, that is minus 40. So x equal to 180 minus 40 means that is 140. So x value is 140 degrees. Okay. Now last question, that is the 10th one. Now 10th question. So 10th question is a pair of adjacent angles whose sum is a straight angles is called dash. So here given a pair of adjacent angles whose sum in a straight angles is called. Suppose I am taking example. So here A, here O, here C, here B. So in a linear pair, in a straight line linear pair, these two angles are adjacent angles. So in the straight line, the complete angle is 180. So this is linear form. This is linear pair, that is 180 degrees. Revision assignment completed.